Welcome to the online classes of Sri Academy. A very pleasant morning to one and all. Student, for class 7th yesterday I taught you chapter 2. Chapter name was fraction. Today I will teach you exercise second B. Okay, this is the fraction and word problem. Before starting this chapter, I told you about so many information related to fraction, and I also told you what is fraction, how many type of fraction. So without taking too much time, I want to start my exercise. Okay, so all of you see very carefully and mention down in your fair copy, because when school will be reopened, then I will check each and every copy individually. So all of you complete your task at your fair copy. Okay. So with student just start. Question number 1. Write down the reciprocal of 5 by 8. So you know very well कि what is reciprocal. Reciprocal means जब हम किसी चीज को किसी चीज में ऐसा कुछ कर दे कि उसका आंसर 1 आ जाए. सपोज दैट 5 by 8. So the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5, because 8 class from 8 and 5 class from 5. So 1 answer. 7. So the reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. After that 1 by 12. So only 12. 12 whole 3 by 5. So at first you convert into the improper fraction 63 by 5, and reciprocal of 63 by 5 is 5 by 63. Okay, is that clear? So next question number 2. Simplify. Here is question, and after that I want to start our answer. Okay, at first you write this all question in your copy. 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. Second question is 7 by 10 divided by 3 by 5. Third question 8 by 9 divided by 16. Fourth question 9 divided by 1 by 3. Fifth question 24 divided by 6 by 7. Sixth question 3 whole 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. So that here is other question. So just start answer. At first your first question is 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. So at first you convert it, this is in division form. Okay, so after that you convert it into the multiplication form, and you know very well कि if you convert multiplication form of the fraction, then it will be changed. Means numerator make denominator and denominator make numerator. Okay, so 4 by 7 multiple 14 by 9. Is that clear? 4 by 7 multiple 14 by 9. After that 7 will be class of 14, means 7 to the 14. Answer is 4 to the 8, and here 9, 8 by 9. Okay, next is 7 by 10 divided by 3 by 5. So you do same. 7 by 10 multiple 5 by 3. 5 class 10, 5 to the 10, so answer will 7 by 6. Okay, you convert it into the mixed fraction 1 whole 1 by 6. Okay, third is that 8 by 9 divided by 16. So at first you convert it into the multiplication form. So 8 by 9 multiple 1 by 16, because here 16 by 1, so it convert 1 by 16. 8 will class of 16, so 8 2 ja 16. Answer is 1 by 18. Okay, next is that 9 whole 1 by 3. So 9 multiple 3 by 1, so 9 3 ja 27. Okay, fifth 24 divided by 6 by 7, so equal to 24 multiple 7 by 6. 6 divisible 24, so 6 4 ja 24. Answer is 7 4 ja 28. Next is 3 whole 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. तो 5 3 जा 15 3 18, 18 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. After that you convert it into the multiplication form. तो 18 by 5 multiple 5 by 4, तो 5 to 5 class and your answer 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 9 by 2. Means if you convert into the mixed fraction, your answer will 4 whole 1 by 2. And next part, suppose that 7 8 9 is in homework. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, डिवाइड करनी है 11 by 24 बाय 7 by 8. सेकेंड इज 6 whole 7 by 8 बाय 11 by 16. थर्ड क्वेश्चन 5 और 5 by 9 बाय 3 whole 1 by 3. ओके, जस्ट स्टार्ट आवर आंसर. 11 by 24 by 7 by 8. तो 11 by 24 divided by 7 by 8 because the question is saying you do the division. So after that you convert it into the multiplication form, because before in question number 2 I will tell you, I taught you what will you do in division of fraction. तो 11 by 24 multiple 8 by 7. ओके, तो 8 class 24, 8 3 जा 24, तो आंसर इज 11 by 21. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 6 whole 7 by 8 by 11 by 16. So at first you see कि here is a mixed fraction, you convert it into the improper fraction. So what will be answer? तो 8 6 are 48, 48 and 7 55, 55 by 8 divided by 11 by 16. So after that you convert it into the multiplication form. So 55 by 8 multiply 16 by 11. So 11 is class 55, 11 5s are 55 and 8 will class 16, 8 2s are 16. Answer will 5 2s are 10. Clear? Third is 5 whole 5 by 9 by 3 whole 1 by 3. So at first you convert it into the improper fraction. 9 5s are 45 and 5 50 by 9 by 3 3s are 9 1 10. Okay, after that you convert it into the multiplication form. 50 by 9 multiple 3 by 10. So after that you class 10 5 are 50 and 3 3 are 9. Means answer is 5 by 3 and you convert it into the mixed fraction 3 1 whole 2 by 3. And next key 4 5 and 6 is in homework because it is same question. Okay, next question 4, it is word problem. A rope of length 13 whole 1 by 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of same length. What is the length of each piece? मीन्स rope of length, एक रस्सी की लंबाई जो थी 13 होल 1 by 2 मीटर की थी. अगर उसको 9 पीस में सेम लेंथ से डिवाइड किया जाए तो बताओ वीक एक लेंथ की क्या लंबाई रही होगी. तो यू नो वेरी वेल कि इट इज डिवीजन. तो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रोप कितनी थी? 13 होल 1 by 2 थी. मीन्स 13 2 जा 26, 127 by 2 मीटर. नंबर ऑफ पीस कितनी करनी है? 9 करनी है. तो लेंथ ऑफ ईच पीस क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा 27 by 2 डिवाइडेड by 9. आफ्टर दैट यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. तो 27 by 2 multiple 1 by 9. 9 will clash 27, 9 3s are 27. Answer is 3 by 2 means 1 whole 1 by 2 meter. Okay. Next question 5. 18 boxes of nails weight equally and their total weight is 49 whole 1 by 2 kg. How much does each box weight? तो total weight of 18 box 49 whole 1 by 2 kg means 99 by 2 kg. Weight of one box, तो 99 by 2 divided by 18 kg. After that you convert it into the multiplication form. तो 99 by 2 multiple 1 by 18. Okay. तो after that you change into the standard form. तो 9 2 जा 18 and 9 11 जा 99. Okay. After that 11 by 2 2 जा 4, 11 by 4 meter. You convert into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction answer is 2 whole 3 by 4 kg. Okay. Next question number 6. By selling oranges at a rate of rupees 6 whole 3 by 4 per orange, a man gets rupees 378. How many orange does he sell? तो अमाउंट ऑफ ऑरेंज कितनी थी? तो रुपीज 378. ओके. द प्राइस ऑफ वन ऑरेंज कितना था, ₹6 होल 3/4। ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंज डिवाइड करवा दो, 378 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 होल 3/4। आफ्टर दैट 378 divided by 6 4 are 24 and 327/4. After that you convert it into the multiplication form. So 378 multiple 4 by 27. 27 will class 378 at 14 जा, तो 14 multiple 4, 14 4 जा 56 orange. Okay. Next is question number 7. Mangoes are sold at ₹43 whole 1/2 per kg. What is the weight of mangoes available for ₹326 whole 1/4 rupees? Okay. So the price of 1 kg of orange 43 whole 1/2 per kg. Okay. Means at first you convert it into the improper fraction. तो improper fraction answer 87/2 rupees. Okay. And total amount you have 326 whole 1/4 rupee. Okay. After that you convert it into the improper fraction. So answer is rupees 1305/4 means 1305/4 rupee. Quantity of mango sold you divide, so the rupees 1305 means 1305/4 divided by rupees 87/2. After that you convert it into the multiplication form. तो 1305/4 multiple 2/87, you class 87, तो 5 से 15 जा and 2 2 जा, आंसर इज 15/2 means आंसर इज 7 whole 1/2 kg. Is that clear? Okay, next question, question number 8. Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2/3 kilometer in 7 whole 3/4 hours on foot. How many kilometer per hour does he walk? Means विकास जो था पूरी डिस्टेंस 20 होल 2/3 किलोमीटर पैदल ही चला, और वह कवर कितने घंटों में किया, तो 7 होल 3/4 घंटों में. हमको बताना है कि पर घंटे उसकी वॉक कितनी रही होगी, पर घंटे वह कितना चला होगा. तो इसके लिए सिंपल सी है कि आप डिवाइड करवा दो. कैसे कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 7 होल 3/4 आवर्स इक्वल टू 20 होल 2/3 किलोमीटर. ओके, तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 आवर, तो 20 होल 2/3 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 होल 3/4. Next you convert it into the improper fraction. 23 जा 60 and 2 62/3 divided by 7 4 जा 28 and 3 31/4 kilometer. After that you convert it into the multiplication form. 62/3 multiply 4/31. After that 31 will class of 62 2 जा, तो 2 multiple 4/3 equal to 2 4 जा 8/3 kilometer. You convert it into the mixed fraction 2 whole 2/3 kilometer. Okay, is that clear beta? Next question number 9. Preeti bought 8 whole 1/2 kg of sugar for ₹242 whole 1/4. Okay, to find the price of sugar per kg. मतलब प्रीति ने 8 होल 1/2 kg 8 हाफ kg शुगर खरीदा, उसका प्राइस कितनी पे की हो, तो 242 रुपये 1/4 पैसे. ओके, तो फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ शुगर. हमको 1 kg शुगर का दाम बताना है. तो आप पहले 8 होल 1/2 kg से शुगर का दाम मेंशन करो. तो प्राइस ऑफ 8 होल 1/2 kg ऑफ शुगर इक्वल टू ₹242 होल 1/4 रुपये. ओके, तो प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg शुगर, तो यू मस्ट डिवाइड इट कि 242 होल 1/4 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 होल 1/2. आफ्टर दैट यू कन्वर्ट इनटू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, तो ₹969/4 डिवाइडेड बाई 17/2. नाउ यू कन्वर्ट इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. तो 969/4 multiplied 2/17. 17 will clarify, 17 will class 969 at 57 जा, and 2 will class 4 at 2 जा, तो 57/2. Okay, तो ₹57/2 means you convert it into the mixed fraction. Answer will 28 whole 1/2 रुपये. Is that clear? Next question number 10. If the cost of a notebook is rupees 27 whole 3 by 4 rupee, how many notebook can be purchased for 326 whole 1 by 4 रुपए? ओके, अगर एक नोटबुक की कास्ट 27 होल 3 बाई 4 रुपये हो तो हमको बताना है 326 होल 1 बाई 4 रुपये में हम कितने नोटबुक परचेज कर सकते हैं। तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, यू डिवाइड इट, आप इसको डिवाइड करवा दो। कैसे? तो कास्ट ऑफ वन नोटबुक इज 27 होल 3 बाई 4। तो आफ्टर दैट यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, आंसर विल 111 बाय 4 रुपये। ओके, टोटल अमाउंट यू हैव, तो 249 होल 3 बाई 4 मीन्स 999 बाई 4 रुपये। नंबर ऑफ नोटबुक कैन बी परचेज, यू डिवाइड इट 999 बाई 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 111 बाई 4। आफ्टर दैट यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म, तो 999 बाई 4 मल्टीपल 4 बाई 111। 111 will class of 909 at 9 ja and 4 will class the 4 1 ja. Answer is only 9. Means how many book can you purchase? Only 9 book can you purchase. Okay, thank you and have a very wonderful day. Tomorrow I will meet you in new topic, but tomorrow I want to revise your all question. Okay, to all of you revise all chapters till today taught at homework, and tomorrow I will give you some revision work. Okay, thank you and very wonderful day beta.